So what's up everyone, BB here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something Web3. It's this idea of a more decentralized, user-owned internet, blockchain, crypto, NFTs. But to even get started, to even knock on the door of this new internet, you need a key. And in Web3, that key is your digital wallet. It's how you prove you are who you say you are, how you hold your digital assets, and how you interact with this whole new ecosystem. Now, with all the hype and all the noise, finding the right wallet can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. You hear stories about hacks, lost funds, and complicated interfaces, and it's enough to make anyone hesitant. That's why having a wallet that is not only secure but also genuinely easy to use is probably the single most important first step you can take. A good wallet should feel intuitive, it should guide you, and it should make you feel confident, not confused. It's the foundation of your entire Web3 experience, so it's critical to get it right from the very beginning. That's exactly what this video is for. We've been testing, comparing, and living with a bunch of different options to figure out which ones actually deliver on that promise of being beginner-friendly in 2025. This isn't just about features on a spec sheet, it's about the real-world user experience. So today, I'm breaking down my top 5 picks for the best Web3 wallets for anyone just starting their journey. We're going to look at what makes each one stand out, who it's for, and what you need to know. Let's get into it. Alright, first up on the list, and it's one you've almost definitely heard of, MetaMask. MetaMask equals Web3 for a huge number of people. It's been around since 2016, ancient in crypto years, which builds trust and a big user base. It's often the default wallet suggested by dApps. Having it installed makes life easier. It primarily exists as a browser extension, which is super convenient for interacting with websites. But it also has a solid mobile app for when you're on the go. Split screen, browser extension, and mobile app side by side. Its iconic fox logo that follows your cursor is something you just get used to seeing everywhere. The reason it's great for beginners, sheer ubiquity. Every tutorial, every guide, every how-to video. That support creates a massive safety net of community knowledge. If you run into an issue, someone's probably solved it, a quick search away. Setting it up is straightforward. It guides you through creating your wallet, and most importantly, saving your secret recovery phrase. It's a clean, simple process to get you from zero to on-chain. MetaMask has continually evolved. It lets you connect to many blockchains beyond just Ethereum, and swapping tokens directly within the wallet has gotten a lot more streamlined. The interface might not be the absolute slickest or most modern, but reliability, massive community support, and industry-standard status make it a safe starting point. If you want the "it just works" option compatible with almost everything, MetaMask is still the top contender. Next up we have Trust Wallet. If MetaMask is the go-to for desktop and browser-based interactions, Trust Wallet has really carved out its niche as the king of mobile. Acquired by Binance back in 2018, it has a ton of resources behind it, and it shows in the polish of the app. The core philosophy here seems to be about giving you access to everything all in one place. Its biggest strength is massive multi-chain support right out of the box. We're talking dozens and dozens of blockchains. You don't have to manually add networks or mess with custom RPCs, a lot is just there. This makes exploring the wider Web3 ecosystem incredibly simple. You can hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB chain tokens, and a whole lot more all within the same interface. This is huge for beginners who want to dabble without downloading 5 different wallets. The UI is clean, intuitive, and mobile first. Everything is laid out logically, from sending to receiving to accessing the built-in dApp browser. It feels more like a consumer finance app, a big win for usability. Now let's talk about an option that leverages the power of a massive established brand Coinbase wallet. It's important to make a distinction here right away. This is not the same as your regular Coinbase account where you buy and sell crypto. Coinbase, the exchange, is a custodial service. They hold the keys for you. Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is a self-custody wallet. You, and only you, control your private keys and assets. It's the best of both worlds. The independence of Web3 with Coinbase's beginner-friendly design. Biggest advantage, seamless integration with the main Coinbase platform. If you already use Coinbase as your on-ramp, moving assets to self-custody is incredibly simple. It's literally a few taps. This removes a huge point of friction for beginners. That scary moment of copying long wallet addresses and worrying you're sending funds into the void. That tight integration gives a level of comfort and simplicity that's hard to beat. Not a one-trick pony. Security is top tier. Secure with Face ID, secure with fingerprint, supports hardware wallets for extra protection. The interface is exceptionally clean, one of the cleanest on this list. Big focus, showcasing your NFT collection in a beautiful gallery format. It also has a great dApp browser, supports multiple chains, Ethereum, Solana, various Layer 2 networks. If you're already in the Coinbase ecosystem or you want a wallet that feels incredibly polished and secure, with the easiest on-ramp possible, Coinbase Wallet is a fantastic choice. Alright, for our fourth pick, we're looking at something that puts design and user experience above all else. Rainbow Wallet. If you're the type of person who really appreciates a beautifully designed app, where every animation is smooth and every layout is thoughtfully considered, then Rainbow is going to be for you. From the moment you open it, it just feels different, it's vibrant, it's colorful. It's built from the ground up to make navigating the world of Ethereum not just easy, but genuinely enjoyable. It feels less like a piece of financial infrastructure and more like a fun, modern social app. Rainbow's primary focus is on the Ethereum ecosystem. Ethereum mainnet, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism. These are crucial for cheaper and faster transactions. While some might see this focus as a limitation compared to a multi-chain wallet like Trust Wallet, it allows Rainbow to create a deeply integrated and tailored experience. For example, it presents your assets in a really clean way, automatically showing the dollar value. It has one of the best NFT viewing experiences out there. It really feels like it was designed by people who actually love and use NFTs. One of its standout features for beginners is how it presents information. When you're about to make a transaction, it doesn't just show you a string of confusing numbers, it simulates the transaction and tells you in plain English what will happen. You are minting one NFT. You are swapping ETH for USDC. It also has fun features like displaying an NFT as your wallet background, and discovering what's trending in the NFT space right from the app. So, if your journey into Web3 is primarily focused on Ethereum and NFTs, and you value a beautiful, intuitive, and just plain fun user experience, Rainbow is an absolute delight to use. Last but definitely not least, we have a wallet that's taking a fundamentally different approach. Security and usability. Argent. Argent is what's known as a smart contract wallet. Smart contracts add features regular wallets can't. Think of it as a wallet with a built-in security guard. Its headline feature, social recovery. Social recovery fixes the biggest fear, losing your secret recovery phrase. Instead of relying solely on a 12-word phrase hidden under your mattress, Argent lets you designate guardians. Guardians can be other wallets. Guardians can be trusted friends or family members, or even a hardware wallet. If you lose access to your phone, your guardians help you recover your account. This removes the all-or-nothing pressure of seed phrases. For beginners, that psychological safety net is huge. Beyond recovery, Argent's smart contract setup enables more security features. You can set daily transfer limits, so even if someone compromises your wallet, they can't drain everything. Argent also automatically blocks transactions to known scam addresses. The interface is clean and focuses on simplicity. It integrates directly with DeFi to make earning yield straightforward. Argent primarily focuses on Ethereum Layer 2s like ZK Sync and Starknet. If your top priority is security and modern safety features, Argent has your back. A forward-thinking option for beginners. So there you have it, 5 incredible Web3 wallets, each with its own unique strengths, all great choices for getting started in 2025. We've got the industry standard with MetaMask, the mobile powerhouse in Trust Wallet, the seamless on-ramp with Coinbase Wallet, the design-focused experience of Rainbow, and the next-gen security of Argent. The best one really comes down to what you value most. Is it cross-chain compatibility? Is it an easy way to get money in? Or is it the peace of mind from advanced security features? There's no single right answer for everyone. The most important thing you can do now is take this information and do a little bit of your own research. Think about what your first steps in Web3 might look like, and pick the wallet that feels like the best fit for that journey. And this is the most important takeaway of the entire video. No matter which wallet you choose, you have to protect your recovery phrase. Never share your recovery phrase. Write it down, store it in multiple safe offline places, and never ever share it with anyone or type it into a random website. Your recovery phrase is your master key. Protect it like it's the most valuable thing you own, because in the world of Web3, it is. Ultimately, choosing a wallet is the first exciting step into a much larger world. It's a space that's constantly evolving, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works for you. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If it was, A like on the video is always appreciated, and make sure you're subscribed for more deep dives like this one. I'm curious to know what you think. What's your favorite wallet? Do you have any questions? Drop a comment down below and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.